Welcome to Auto Virtual Education. Today we'll be looking at top 30 history MCQs for all entrance exams including CAT, TestNet, XAT, CLAT, NLAT, UPSC, Railway, Banks and all other MBA law entrance exams. If you are interested in more content related to current affairs and general knowledge for entrance exams in India, please subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell. The first question we have today is, who was the founder of the Mughal Empire? And the options are Babur, Akbar, Shah Jahan, and Aurangzeb. The correct answer is A. Babur. Babur was the founder of the Mughal Empire and was the first emperor of the Mughal dynasty in the Indian subcontinent. He was the descendant of Taimur and Genghis Khan. He was born in 1483 in Uzbekistan and died in 1530 in Agra. His place of burial is Kabul, Afghanistan. Question number 2. Who was the monarch of Britain at the time of commencement of the Government of India Act 1858? The options are Henry VIII, Victoria, Elizabeth II, and George V. The correct answer is B. Queen Victoria. Henry VIII was the King of England between 1509 and 1547. Victoria was the Queen of England between 1837 and 1901. George V was the King of England from 1910 to 1936, and Elizabeth II is the present Queen of England and has been since 1953. Question number 3. Which of the following Bhakti saints popularized the Vaishnavism movement in Gujarat? The options are Kabir Das, Mirabai, Narasi, or Tulsidas. The correct option is C. Narasi. The Bhakti movement took place in India in the 6th and 7th century AD. Question number 4. Which of the following acts led to the introduction of dual system of government in India? The options are Pitt's India Act 1784, Charter Act 1813, the Regulating Act 1773, or the Government of India Act 1909. And the correct answer is A. Pitt's India Act 1784. The East India Company Act, also known as the Pitt's India Act, was an act of the Parliament of Great Britain intended to address the shortcomings of the Regulating Act of 1773 by bringing the East India Company's rule in India under the control of the British government. Question number 5. Domestication of animals started in which period in ancient history? The options are Paleolithic Age, Neolithic Age, Ice Age, or Mesolithic Age. The right answer is D. Mesolithic Age. Question number 6. Bhimbetka, a Mesolithic site, is one of the earliest arts in the world. Which Indian state is it found in? The options are A. Karnataka, B. Bihar, C. Meghalaya, or D. Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer is D. Madhya Pradesh. The Bhimbetka rock shelters are an archaeological site in central India that spans the prehistoric, Paleolithic, and Mesolithic periods. It exhibits the earliest traces of human life in India and the evidence of Stone Age starting at the site in Acheulean times. Question number 7. Who founded the faith of Sikhism? The options are A. Guru Nanak, B. Guru Gobind Singh, C. Sri Chaitanya, or D. Daru Dayal. The correct answer is A. Guru Nanak. The Sikh faith began around 1500 CE, where Guru Nanak began teaching a faith that was quite distinct from Hinduism and Islam. 9 gurus followed Nanak and developed the Sikh faith and community over the next centuries. Question number 8. Which ruler was also known as the slave of slaves? The options are Humayun, Alauddin Khilji, Iltutmish, or Muhammad of Ghazni. The correct option is C. Iltutmish. He was the third Mamluk king in India. Which is the author of the book Poverty and Un-British Rule in India? The options are Mahatma Gandhi, Dadabhai Nauroji, P.C. Mahalanobis, or D. Lala Lajpat Rai. The correct answer is B. Dadabhai Nauroji. Question number 10. What was the capital of Anga? The options are A. Gandhar, B. Patliputra, C. Champa, or D. Kaushambi. And the correct answer is C. Champa. Who started the English weekly New India? The options are Annie Besant, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Rabindranath Tagore, or Lala Lajpat Rai. The correct answer is Annie Besant. New India was an early 20th century daily newspaper published in India by Annie Besant to highlight issues related to the Indian freedom struggle. It started on June 1st, 1914. Question number 12. In which year was the Mughal Empire established? The options are 1550, 1654, 1423, or 1526. The correct answer is 1526. As we've seen earlier, the Mughal Empire was established by Babur. Which war led to the establishment of the Mughal Empire in India? The options are Battle of Saraighat, the First Battle of Panipat, the Second Battle of Panipat, or the Battle of Buxar. The correct answer is B, the First Battle of Panipat. The First Battle of Panipat took place on 21st April 1526 and was fought between the invading forces of Babur and the Lodi dynasty. It took place in North India and marked the beginning of the Mughal Empire and the end of Delhi Sultanate. Question number 14. Which is the oldest Smriti text? And the options are Manusmriti, Brihaspati Smriti, Narad Smriti, or Parashara Smriti. The correct answer is A. Manusmriti. Question number 15. Which Mughal emperor died due to a fall from the library staircase? The options are A. Babur, B. Akbar, C. Humayun, and D. Jahangir. The correct answer is C. Humayun. Humayun was the son of Babur and the second Mughal ruler. Upon his sudden death, his son Akbar became the third Mughal emperor at the age of 13. Question number 16. Who was the founder of the Haryanka dynasty? The options are A. Vikramaditya, B. Bimbisara, C. Chanakya, or D. Samudragupta. The correct answer is B. Bimbisara. The Haryanka dynasty was the third ruling dynasty of Magad, an empire of ancient India, which succeeded the Prayoda dynasty and Bharhadrata dynasty. Initially, the capital was Rajgriha. Later, it was shifted to Patliputra. Question number 17. How many Tirthankars are there as per the Jain tradition? The options are A13, B21, C30, or D23. The correct answer is C. D23. In which year did Ashoka fight the Kalinga War? The options are A. 145 AD, B. 5 BC, C. 261 BC, or D. 14 AD. The correct answer is 261 BC. The Kalinga War was fought in ancient India between the Mauryan Empire under Ashoka and the state of Kalinga, an independent feudal kingdom located on the east coast. Question number 19. Who was the first to start a joint stock company to trade with India? The options are A. French, B. Dutch, C. British, or D. the Portuguese. And the correct answer is B. the Dutch. Question number 20. Buddhism talks about dash fold path. Fill in the blank. The options are A8, B5, C2, and D12. The correct answer is A8. So Buddhism talks about Eightfold Path, or the Noble Eightfold Path, which include right understanding, right thought, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, and right concentration. Question number 21. Who was the founder of the Satavahana dynasty? The options are A. Simukha, B. Alauddin Khilji, C. Chandragupta, or D. Krishna Devaraya. The correct answer is A. Simukha. Question number 22. What was the nature of the Indus Valley civilization? The options are A. Urban, B. Semi-urban, C. Township, or D. Rural. The correct answer is A. Urban. The Indus Valley civilization was an urban civilization, as can be seen through evidence. Question number 23. The term Nishka, which meant ornaments in the Vedic period, was used in later times to denote what? The options are A. Iron, B. Coins, C. Land, or D. Tools. The correct answer is B. Coins. Question number 24. Which Mughal emperor assumed the title of Alamgir? The options are A. Jahangir, B. Bahadur Shah, C. Shah Jahan, or D. Aurangzeb. The correct answer is D. Aurangzeb. Which was the first Indian emperor, ruler, or king to ban the sati practice in the country? The options are A. Chandragupta, B. Ashoka, C. Porus, or D. Aurangzeb. The correct answer is D. Aurangzeb. Question number 26. In which year was the Taj Mahal completed? The options are A. 1534, B. 1648, C. 1602, and D. 1765. The correct answer is 1648. The Taj Mahal was built under the Mughal Empire, and the emperor at the time was Shah Jahan. Question number 27. In which state is the Sachi Stupa located? The options are A. Bihar, B. Gujarat, C. Madhya Pradesh, and D. Andhra Pradesh. And the correct answer is C. Madhya Pradesh. Sachi Stupa is a Buddhism site. Question number 28. Which of the following Sufi orders laid great stress on practicing Misti music? And the options are A. Chisti, B. Suharwadi, C. Kedri, and D. Naqshbandi. And the correct answer is A. Chishti. The Sufi movement took place in India in the 10th and 11th centuries AD. Question number 29. Who wrote the book Mahabhasya? The options are A. Kabir Das, B. Hari Sena, C. Patanjali, or D. Chanakya. And the correct answer is C. Patanjali. Question number 30. In Jainism, perfect knowledge is referred to as what? Options are A. Kaivalya, B. Jinnah, C. Nirvana, or D. Ratna. The correct answer is A. Kaivalya. If you like this video and would like more content, please like, share, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell.